Welcome to the Planner 5D channel. Today, you're taking a wild ride into the living room jungle. It's like a safari, but with throw pillows and coffee tables. Buckle up for the ultimate design showdown as we tackle for living rooms that have seen better days. From couches with an identity crisis to walls suffering from too much bling, we're here to save the day. Get ready for some serious before and after magic that'll make you question reality. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or here for fun, stick around for some top-tier tips and tricks. By the way, interior design project development is now much easier with the Planner 5D app. There's no need to draw plans from scratch or sketch each piece of furniture. With Planner 5D, you can create any project digitally. Simply start a new project, choose from a variety of ready-made objects, and customize their size, textures, and placement to your liking. Moreover, Planner 5D features AI-powered functions that can recognize blueprints or furnish your space in styles ranging from Japandi to boho. Experience how technology enhances the interior design process with Planner 5D. First room, pink and green interior. Carpet. The patterned rug might clash with the rest of the decor. The shelf covers a small but still significant part of the window. Artwork. The artwork above the pink sofa is quite subdued. Colors. One more accent is needed for balance. What will be done in this project? First, neutral color. Second, carpet. Third, shelf. Fourth, artworks. Let's make over the first room. First of all, change the color to a unifying one. Then, artworks. Choose one big piece instead of different small objects. Move the shelf to the empty wall on the left. Add more curtains and a rod. Choose a calmer rug that complements rather than competes with the furniture, and make it bigger. Add a neutral pillow for a more cohesive look, and the room is ready. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Wooden slats and green sofa. Wall art. The large triptych is striking, but its scale in relation to the rest of the room might be disproportionate. Short curtains can visually reduce space ceiling. Plants. Rearrange the plants to avoid overcrowding. Furniture. Spaciously placed furniture visually reduces the space. What will be done in this project? First, wall art. Second, curtains. Third, plants. Fourth, furniture. Let's go. Move the sofa and accent table closer to the wall. Remove the bold wall art to prevent it from dominating the area. Declutter the space near the window and relocate the plant to where the wall art was for better balance. Change the curtains. Opt for floor-length curtains to visually elongate the space. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Third room, pink living room. The extensive use of pink and floral patterns gives a very niche look that may not appeal to everyone. The unique mirror dominates the room's decor. 2 coffee tables of the same size and incorrect placement of chairs. Short to dressers visually reduces and divides the space. What will be done in this project? First, colors. Second, mirrors. Third, coffee table. Fourth, dresser. The first step to transformation is removing unnecessary items like mirrors, dressers, and decor. Choose a long dresser instead of 2 small ones. Add paintings that complement the overall design of the room. Rearrange the furniture to create a functional space. Replace the 2 coffee tables with 1 large one, selecting a suitable texture. Add plaid, pillows, and floral decor in white to vary the interior. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Fourth room, green wallpapers. Colors, lacks contrast for a more attractive picture. Lighting, goes against the modern bubble chandelier aesthetic. Coffee tables, inconvenient placement of tables too close to the sofa. Armchairs, the chairs are too close to each other and to the sofa. Wallpaper, the large, bold pattern of the wallpaper is quite dominating. What will be done in this project? First, lighting. Second, colors. Third, furniture. Fourth, wallpaper. In this room, wallpaper should be used on a single accent wall for a better look. Use a calm green color on the other walls. Remove unnecessary decor and 1 armchair and rearrange the remaining one. Change the color of the curtains for better balance. Use a neutral color for the rug. Remove the coffee table and other cluttered decor. Add contrasting pillows instead. Update the lighting, and the room will be ready. Which version do you prefer, before or after? Thank you for watching. You've just taken a tour through for living rooms and uncovered some common design mistakes that are easy to fix. Be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more fabulous home design tips. Now, drop us a comment with the number of the room makeover you vibe with the most and wait for part 2.